Hazrat Ali described about health as La yambagi lil abdi en yasika al afiya. It isn't proper for a person to rely on his health. Baina tarahu mu'afan is sakima. Because right now you are looking at someone healthy and he gets sick as soon as you see him. Afzalu min wus'atil mali sehatul badan. Physical health is better than wealth. He said, Shay'ane la yurafu fazluhuma illa min faqdehima. The value of two things is known after they are gone. Ash-shababu wal afiyato. One youth and another health. Hazrat Ali bequeathed Imam Hassan, Ya bunayya ala uallimuka arba khisalin tastagni biha anitib. My dear son, I'll tell you 4 things through which you will not need treatment. Number 1. La tajussa ala ta'ami illa wa anta ja'i'un. Eat when you are hungry. Number 2. Wala takum ani ta'ami illa wa anta tashtahihi. If you are still hungry, get up from eating. Number 3. Wajawidul mazgha. Chew well and eat. Waiza nimta fa'arid nafsaka alal khala. Use the toilet before going to bed. Hazrat Ali advised, Amshi bidaika ma masha bika. In the disease, keep walking as long as you have the courage. He guided, Mallam yahtamil mirarata dawa'i dama alamahu. A person who doesn't tolerate the harshness and bitterness of medicine will always have the pain. Al-ju'u anfa'u dawa. Hunger is beneficial, advantageous medicine.